Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Kolkata famous chicken finger from my home style cooking recipes. This recipe is my mom's recipe. She used to make it in this way on my birthdays. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends, relatives too. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new cooking recipe video updates in advance. Let's start the video and quickly have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. If to make chicken finger, here I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken, cutted them into long thick strips. First I wash the chicken well and remove the excess water. Then I am placing it into a bowl for marination. Now I am adding some amount of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chaat masala powder, black pepper powder and salt to taste. Now giving a quick mix with hands. Now I am adding equal quantity of ginger garlic paste, green chili paste. Now again give them a quick mix. I am adding some amount of ajinomoto, turmeric powder and a freshly juiced lime and mixing all the ingredients with the chicken strips. Now here I am adding one egg and mix very well with the chicken strips and also with the other ingredients too. Then I am adding a little bit mustard oil in it and I am keeping this for marination inside a plain freezer overnight. But you can keep this marination for at least 30 minutes and then go for the rest of the preparation. On next day I am taking out the bowl from the freezer and allows it to come in a normal temperature. Now here I am adding some amount of all-purpose flour and also corn flour too. After coating chicken strips with all-purpose flour and corn flour, then now I am taking a bowl. Here I am adding one egg, also adding some salt and black pepper powder and the marination gravy little bit and mix the egg well. Now I am taking another plate where I am adding some breadcrumbs too, also mixing it with some salt and chaat masala. Now I am taking one chicken strips. On left hand, dip it into the egg, shake the extra and roll it on breadcrumbs to give a shape of finger. By following the same manner, I have completed the whole chicken strips, turning into chicken finger and also keeping them in another plate. After completing the whole chicken finger, now I am placing a wok on the gas burner. Switch on the burner on high flame, adding sufficient quantity of vegetable oil in it and allows the oil to be heated totally. When the oil became heated, then I am frying. Then I am turning the gas on low to medium flame adding the chicken finger one by one. Note, do not overcrowd it and hardly fries for 8 to 7 minutes. In this way, I have completed frying the whole chicken finger. Now we are done. Our crispy, tasty, delicious chicken finger is ready to be served. Now I am taking all the chicken finger to a serving plate and serve it with tomato sauce and one lime. That is totally optional. Now I am showing you the crispiness of the chicken finger. I think you can hear the sound of the crispiness, and as well as it is very juicy from inside. If you like the recipe, then do try it at least at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. I am ending this video for the time being with this pair. All of you be stays well, and will be coming back shortly with a new cooking recipe video. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.